today we're going to be doing a different type of video. We're going to be doing an unboxing video, and also I'm going to show you how I set up an antkit product. So we're just going to start the packaging straight over there for now. So the test tubes and an outworld, nicely packaged. There is the outworld. It's like someone I already have. Doesn't look anything new. It's got this method of opening things, which personally I think is a bit hard. Maybe you should have something on the side. Twist. Because I have to pick up the outworld and turn it, even if the ant's connected. So I'll just leave that to the side for now. Then they've got two test tubes, a bit scratched, but those test tube adapters, they're gonna go in. I don't know. So now I'm gonna show you setting up the things. First, I'm gonna get some cotton, and fill these up with water. So I'll be back in a minute. So I've finished with that now. I've set it up now. So I'll test tube here. Oh, there's something in this box. What's in here? Didn't see that before. There's this. Oh, that's for the outworld. I forgot about that, but I already have one. So I'm just gonna pop this in here so they move. Put them under some light up there. The reason I'm moving them test tubes is because it's a bit mouldy. Might have been because I set it up wrong, and also it's got some uneaten protein jelly in it. Well, they have eaten it, but they just put rubbish in it once they finished. So I'm just going to move them under some light up on my desk. Not my desk, on my shelf. For now. See if they do anything. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is just an extra pop cotton. What are you thinking there? So, I'm just going to do a basic overview of the outworld. It's got basically 2 layers. So if you've got ants which will try and escape, and you're having trouble feeding them because they're on the lid, well, you can put some PTFE or like some escape-proof liquid. I don't know what it's called. I've forgotten. And then these wheels turn pretty easily. To block it off and open it, I'm just going to put them both on open for now. They're both open. It's exactly the same as my other outworld. And the ants up here, which I want them to move into a new test tube, I'm going to move them onto this outworld. My other ants are, there's only 4 of them, so I think they're doing for 5 or 4 workers. So I think they're fine for now. In the next video, I'll probably set up their new test tube and things. So, bye, and I'll see you in the next video.